Hi guys, I have gas furnace carrier. It has issue, so we'll find out what's going on. Okay. Blade on it. Any LED light or anything still like this, so let's see what will happen. Put some tape to turn this system on. Trunk wire. From R to W for the heats, and inducer kicking, that's good. And then after that pressure switch close, and then gas valve and no, inducer, pressures, igniter, and igniter is turning, and then gas valve. See what happened. Yeah, it keeps on. See, the blower is turning on. The blower is not spinning. The reason why. So try to spin, but nothing. It tried to spin and stop. That's why reason. So I have another trick. So R30 to make sure for fan. Try to spin again a little and it stop. It means blower issue. Blower issue. Okay, replace blower blower motor. Turn the light off. Oh my goodness.
Board out, huh?
Yes, sir. I have to take a blower. And then blower. Take this tape I put over here. I have to take this one.
It's a plug? Oh, I see.
And this one too, just in case. Be easy. It's okay. Each one. And then that's why I like it. Carrier is easy for blower. Different. It's a little hard.
Oh, I see.
And then I have to move all these wires from not to make everything out. Put this-
Picture or what?
No, I remember everything.
Huh?
I remember everything. Just I want to make sure. Green, red. Yes. No picture. all the wires like this. Oh, one more.
That's just the wire.
Yeah, that's why I don't want to touch. So, and then I have to pull this wire like this. And
The whole thing comes out?
yeah, and then that's why like a carrier is easy like this.
Oh, so just with the board, everything keep it. That's
Yeah, I don't want to take the board out, you know, so much.
easier to do.
Yeah, easy way. And then,
That's the motor.
and this is motor. And then I have to use wrench to open. The shaft.
Shaft, I see.
Yeah. Make sure for balls be in the center, yeah, because sometimes
Yeah.
this side or this side, but always center is better. That's why.
This should give opening from the side.
It's from the factory, it's hard sometimes. Yeah.
Just a couple of screws. That's
Yeah,
it.
that's it. Yeah.
Is there capacitor on this?
No, this
Oh,
is MC motor.
Oh, so it's not like capacitor.
No. The other one is different. This is
Not,
with
not
this
the one
head.
from
Yes.
not from the bottom.
The other one sometimes they are having a small capacitor
Oh,
in the blower. This one is different.
this is
Yes. That's why called MCA motor.
MC.
Yes. Yeah. So I have to take this one. And I have a new blower motor anyway. Yeah, it will help which one I have to use. Small.
So that comes with all wires anyway.
Yeah. Yeah, this one.
New ball comes with the wire.
Yeah, I don't want to move the wire after that.
Oh, I see.
I can take them out, but it's good to keep them on
Keep the board.
in
with it.
board. When I fix the one, I will
Right.
take one by one.
I'm gonna get the pictures.
Yeah, without picture. This one without picture.
I see.
Yeah. Something for
And the other side, inside.
yeah, you know, just only like this one.
Yeah, inside.
I have to look. Yes, over
And
here.
underneath
I have another one. I have another one.
right.
And then I have to take some tape here. Some trash.
Oh, trash. Oh.
Mm. This one and this one. Yeah, everyone.
Oh, the spacer.
Yes.
Oh, that's a spacer, I see.
Yes, sir. Okay, and then I have to move ground.
So you don't work on Saturday, right?
No,
I thought they're gonna come Saturday.
no, Saturdays only some people.
Monday to Friday.
Yes, only some people they're doing like in cold. Like this. Okay. A new blower motor.
That's like $400-500, right? Probably.
Yeah.
Lucky. I mean, it's in warranty. But they probably fixed it, right?
Yeah.
Oh, that's
Yes. That's a good thing. It comes with. You don't have to remove.
oh, so everything is there.
Yeah.
That's better.
Like it's not like a low neck or another verse. You have to adjust this if you put it up or low.
Yeah, that's a problem. This is already.
Yeah, that's a good thing in Carrier. Carrier, it comes with everything.
The bias, okay?
Yeah.
On top, right?
And just after that, we'll play with the other one. That's a good thing. You have to put the ground first. Small one, let's not this one. It's already
That's
stuck.
from front, right?
It's stuck with the origin.
So this may be used for so many different things, right?
Yeah.
That's why you have so many wires.
Yep. Like this.
You talk to your guys, why the hell it's like 3-4 years old and still motor goes? Bad. This quality no good, right?
You know, it's part, you know.
All the new quality no good.
Yes, like everything there's the one like this.
There's one over there. Screwdriver?
No, like this one.
Oh, this one. Oh,
Yeah, this one. Like that. Just say on this side. There's not one side only.
That has a place for it. Make sure it's right in the center, right?
Yes.
Just enough.
Make it if it is in some. Shift first like this. It's easy.
It's not
Carry-
that hard.
Yeah, Carrier is easy.
Not that hard.
But others, oh my goodness.
Just have to put all the.
Yeah.
Not too bad. I'll call you if I get some needed. You know, some of the friends need it. Right?
I'm putting it just to spin to make sure if it's spinning right. Yeah. And then to put it like.
slot over there or what?
All of them to get in to the back. This one, yeah, this one should be.
Yeah, the slot, right?
Yeah, because it has two clips
Oh,
like this, and
Oh.
then in the bag already get in, but in the bag is not.
oh, I
That's why I like to make sure everything's getting in. And then check is good, and make sure if it's spinning right. Yep. And I'll put first the wire in the bed. This all of them goes one to the
Oh,
left.
I see the plug over there.
Yeah, it's like this. Prim you don't have.
I see.
But this one you have to
You
change.
take one at a time, huh?
Yeah, block. Take this block and you
Black.
put it here. And then white to ground.
White from the
Ground.
neutral or whatever. you
Yeah.
call it.
Like this. And then all terminals was the same.
But
To
it's the
make
whole, oh, it's not the whole.
yeah, to make sure all
One at
this,
a time. Yeah.
yeah, one blue, this red, orange, yes. And then you can see it in the back there too if you want.
What?
After that, if you don't know which wire the
Yeah.
goes, you can find out. And then all the wires bound to all the blower. Okay.
Yeah, because you do every day, you know.
Huh?
You do every day, so you know
Yeah.
which wire goes where.
Yeah.
I would have to write it down everything. That's just the different speed, right?
Yeah. Speed, heat, cooling.
Heat calling and all.
Yeah,
this.
and then yeah. For motor fan. Okay, and then everything is now.
So this one doesn't have a capacitor. This
No.
motor.
No. And then this for compressor. This wires goes to
And this for thermostat.
no, this one is coming. It's not coming. Air terminal goes to R.
24 volts.
Yeah, 24 volts.
But then it's all color anyway, right?
Yeah,
It's all written color.
this is yellow,
Right.
and then it goes with one
White.
wire, either white or red, either one.
Oh, okay.
But for the compressor
Oh,
outside.
that's what compressor outside.
Yes.
I see. That together.
Yeah.
I see.
For yellow, either one. You can use other one, but you cannot use this one.
You can check the AC now, right? Or can you?
Yeah. Okay. And then white goes W terminal, and then come in and one from compressor.
Two. One.
Yeah, because it gives 24 volt,
To there, I see.
and then for contactor,
I see.
and then this is for coming.
This will give you like a plug, like
Yeah.
just to come on. You don't need the.
Yeah. For coming. Yeah, okay. Wow. G for fan.
Green.
Yeah, G for
Blue.
fan. And then I have everything set up. I have the old motor, and then double check here. Diagnostic, what is it? Where is that? I think it's in the back. Yeah, it's over here. If you don't know how to connect all the wires, everything here is connection diagrams. Okay, and then all the wires for thermostat is over here. Common, blue, gray, red, orange. All this over here. For this, it says green, blue, gray, red, orange, yellow. So all of them set up. Other one for thermostat, depending for the wires. For this one for thermostat. And everything sounds good. We'll try. Now we turn the power on. Yeah, and make sure and to jump. What's the wire? The wire are too wide.
Thermostat wire jump.
Yes, instead waiting for thermostat.
So
Because
you don't want to go downstairs.
yeah, now make sure the power is on. hours in the back. Okay, he's coming over here. Another one goes over there. Yeah, kicks. And now fan is working. It's spinning right before it's not. The fan before it's not working. That's why it is. And then I have to reset, and then I want immediately.
That's the code.
Yeah, for heat. But it takes a little to blow air first. Yeah. I'm glad. I want you guys everything to know. And fan is smoothie. To circle the air first. Yes, sir.
Still give me the code, no?
No, first it does like this.
Oh, what's that? Yes.
And then after that it will turn. To put tape. Now the inducer kicks.
Huh?
Inducer now is kicking, and then pressure switch, and
goes
then yes, because we turned it before to find out. That's why the heat exchange is hot.
Okay.
That's why I have to. And
Down a
then
little bit, I see.
this one igniter, hot igniter surface,
Yes.
and
Just takes a little
then
time to go over that.
and then gas valve. After gas valve, and then send signal to flame sensor to the board. Then we'll wait for fan to spin and ready to go. And then again, after the flame sensor said I'm hot, send this signal to board to send the blower.
Right.
So that's why step by step. Now it's working.
Come on, stop.
Yeah, this blower is turning on now. Before is not. And thank you guys for watching. I hope we'll see you again.